In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of generating database scripts using Azure Data Studio. By default, you might not find any Generate Scripts feature for table as well as database. So let's look how to bring this feature. For this, click on Extension at left pane as shown here. Then in the search field, search for Database Administration Tool extensions for Windows. Then click on option pointing to the link to Generate Administration Tool extensions. Here you can do what this extension can do. Here it is clearly mentioned that it can generate script. Next, click on Install button. It will install that extension for you. It may take some time. Now go to your table and right-click and you will get the option to generate script as shown here. You can follow these steps to generate script either in clipboard or SQL file and other option as well. Here I am selecting entire table. You can do for desired table only by selecting that particular table only. Here I am generating in script file as shown here. You can open and view the database content. You can generate script for table as well. You can see here. In this way we have successfully generate script for database as well as table in Azure Data Studio. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you.